people. Nana's in here. Okay, we have a short school day today. Actually, I'm just gonna work on her listening skills. So I'm gonna read a few stories about listening, and then we're gonna do some practical. We're gonna need a conical flask. This is your conical flask. And then we're gonna need blue food coloring. Blue food coloring. Leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Then we need yellow food coloring. Okay? So look at the instructions. So number one.
Welcome to the science. The science.
Yeah, so the scientist, so you're going to turn, you're going to make the color green.
Blue.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let's follow the instructions. The instructions say to fill the beakers with Reagan. Hey, listen. The instructions say to fill the beacons with water. So now I have to get some water so you can put, so I just put the tray out. So you're going to put your breaker on your tray. You can put them on the tray. Okay, so we're going to put everything on your tray. Okay, just leave it right there. Leave it right there. Okay, so Nana's going to get some water. Okay?
Water.
Yeah, Nana's going to get some water. Okay, mix up the blue. Good job. So now we're gonna put 4 drops. We're gonna put 4 drops of yellow in here. Okay, hold on. Let me open it. Hold on. Okay, so now so now we have to open the yellow. What did I do with the? Okay, so we're gonna put, the instructions say to add, listen, the instructions say to add, yeah, the blue and the yellow. So we have to open the yellow, and the instructions said to add 4 drops. Okay, leave the blue alone now. Let's come. Add 4 drops of yellow. Put it in here. Here. 4 drops. Count. 1. Squeeze it out. 1.
2, 3.
Wait, 1. And then come on out, squeeze it. Okay, let's squeeze it. 1. Squeeze it, Baba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now, here, see another stick? Hold on. See a mixing stick? Here, use this and mix the yellow around. Mix the yellow around. No, don't keep the yellow stick in there. Mix the yellow around. Now, what you're going to do, what color are we going to make? We're going to make green. So, blue and yellow makes green. So, you're going to pour the blue in here. No, put the sticks down. Pour the blue in here. Pour the blue in there. Oh. Good job. Now, pour the yellow. What color is this?
Blue.
Pour the yellow in there. Hold on. What color is it now? What color is it? What color is that?
Sorry.
No, stir it up. Stir it. What color is that? What color is that?
It's green.
It's green, so we made green. Yellow and blue makes green. Yay! You did so good. You made green. Good job. Let's read. Okay, there are 3 primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. When they combine with each other, they form a secondary color. Blue and yellow are primary colors. When mixed, they combine to form green. So see, we had blue and we had yellow, and when you mix them together, you get green. Good job. Good job. You did so good, Reagan. You did so good. Okay, that's the end of the experiment.
Are you ready to science?
You want to make another color?
No, a sign.
Okay, so we have to wash these out.
What is science?
Let's wash this out and then we can make another color another day. Okay?
Okay.
So let's just wash this out. Nana's gonna wash it out. So let's just wash these out. You want to come throw it in the bathroom. Come throw it out. Come throw it in the bathroom, come. Okay, Reagan want to mix another color. So let's see, the next experiment is let's make purple. So purple, we're gonna need blue, and we're gonna need, let me get the red. Okay, so let me get some more red. So let me put away okay, this experiment. Okay, this is the experiment that I got for her birthday.
Birthday?
Yeah, so let me just get the red color. Since we're gonna make, I only had one experiment planned for the day, but Reagan wanted to do another one, so we'll just go on to the second experiment, which is to make purple. So we're gonna need to get the red coloring. So we're gonna put the yellow back. Okay, let's close it up tightly. We're going to put the yellow back and we're going to get the red. So red, let's get some more. Hold on, let me get some more water.
Water? Okay.
Yeah. So you're going to pour. Let's put these on the side. What color are we going to make? Purple. We're going to make. What color are we going to make? Reagan? What color are we going to make? We're going to make purple. Let's see so you can see it. Let's turn it this way so you can see it good. Okay, what color are we going to make? Okay, we're going to make, Reagan, repeat after me. We're going to make purple. What color are we going to make? We're going to make purple. So here you're going to add some water. Here, add some water in here. Add some water in there. Pour the water in. Pour some water in here. And then you pour some water. Okay, pour some water. Good job. Don't pour all. Okay, and pour some in here. Okay, so let's get some more. Let me get some more water. Okay.
Red and blue.
Mix. Yeah, pour some more in here. Pour some more in there. Hold it carefully. All right, good job. So we're gonna, okay, number one, you're gonna add 1 drop of blue. So 1 drop of blue, you're gonna put 1 drop of blue here. 1 drop of blue, 1 drop. Squeeze it. Wait a minute so I can see. Yeah, hold it and squeeze it. 1 drop. Squeeze. Move your hand, I can't see. Squeeze. Okay, let me help you. Squeeze. See, look, 1 drop. Squeeze. Squeeze it.
1, 2.
1 drop. Good. Now, now mix it around. Mix around the blue. Mix around the blue. Good job. Good job. Now let Nana open the the red. Now the red we need add 1 drop of blue. The next one we're gonna add 1 drop of red. So let's open this up. And then Nana stick it. There you go. Okay, need 1 drop of red. 1 drop. Okay, put it in. Yeah. 1 drop. Okay, that's 1 drop of red. Now you're gonna stir it. Stir it around. Stir it around. So you get red, and what color? Yeah, red and blue. So when you mix them together, so you're gonna pour the blue in. Let's take the mixing sticks out. Okay, pour the blue in there. See, turn it this way. See them out. You see this? Let it pour through there. Okay. So pour it in. Pour it in here. You okay? So pour it. Good job. Good job. So you get blue. Now pour the red in. Pour the red in. Turn it that way. Good job, my darling. Oh. Oh, what color is that?
It's purple.
It's purple. So red and blue makes purple. Good job. Good job. Okay, so remember there are 3 primary colors. What are the primary colors? They are red, yellow, and blue. When they mix with other colors, when they mix with each other, they become secondary colors. So you see, red, and blue makes purple. Red and blue makes purple. Remember what we did earlier? We did blue and blue and yellow makes green. Remember? Blue and yellow makes green. Okay. Let's make one more color. You want to make another color?
Make another color.
Okay, so we're going to make, let's just wash these out. So we're going to make brown. Okay, so go and pour it out. Pour it out.
Pour it out.
Yeah, no, go pour it out in the bathroom. Be careful. Oh, she's doing so well and loving it. Good job. So let me rinse it out. Good job. Sit down. So one more color we're going to make. Let's just rinse out. Okay, you got to clean your stuff. Let's just rinse this out. Okay? You're doing so good. You're doing so good, Reagan. Okay, so you get your container. Let Nana get some water. So the color we're going to make now is brown. Can you make brown? Can you make brown? So we're going to need 3 colors look like. So we're going to need red, we're going to need blue, and we're going to need yellow to make brown. So we need 3 colors to make brown. So we're going to fill, let me get some water. Okay, so you're going to put some water in here and you're going to put some water in there. You got to split it up here. No, you pour the water in here. You start and pour some water in there. Hold it good. Good job. Okay, and pour some water in here. You got it? Good job. So let's just put some in here. Okay, let's put some back. Okay, so now you're going to need 1 drop of blue. So you're going to put 1 drop of blue. 1 drop of blue in here. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Ah, good job. 1 drop of blue. Mix it around. Where's your mixing stick? Mix it around. Good job. Good job. Now you're going to need 1 drop of red. 1 drop, yeah. 1 drop of red. Just 1 drop. Squeeze. Good job. So mix it. Where's the mixing stick? Hold on. Let's get your mixing stick. Hold on. No, use this. Mix it around. Here, mix it around. Mix it around.
Oh, where'd you go?
Okay, let me see. Should I leave it in here? I don't know. Did it drop? I don't know. Where did you go? Okay, just also here. Okay, so mix it around. Mix around the red. Okay, mix around the red. Oh, you need to add, let's add a little bit more red.
Look at this.
Squeeze. Squeeze it, put another drop. Squeeze it. Look what you're doing. Squeeze, squeeze. Ah. Okay, squeeze it. Okay, good. Now stir it around. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour the blue in here. Pour the blue, pour the blue, pour the blue, pour the blue, pour the blue in here. Remember I told you turn it around like that. Okay, good. Now pour it in there. Ah, there you go. Good job. Good job. Now pour the red. Pour the red. With experiment, you have to follow instruction. Good job. Now.
It's brown.
Yeah, but you have to add some yellow.
Yellow.
You have to add. Listen, you need 4 drops of yellow. So you're gonna squeeze it 4 times. 1. But in here. No, in here. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. Squeeze. 1 more. Oh, good job. Good job. Now you gotta stir it up. Stir it up. Does it look brown? It's brown. Is it brown? Is it brown? You might have to add some more red. Okay, let's add some more red. Okay. Stir it around. It's brown. Good job. So we made 3 colors today.
You're making it in the oven.
No, don't go in the oven. You just make colors.
I
So
want don't oven.
no, don't go in the oven. We're just making colors. So
I want don't oven.
okay, we'll do another experiment. We'll do another experiment tomorrow. So let's now pour this out in the bathroom. Here. Here, pour it out, throw it out. Yeah, go in the bathroom. Hold it carefully and throw it out. Doing so well. Good job. So now we gotta wash these out. You wanna take off your gloves now? You can take off your scientist outfit now. We're gonna do some reading. Yeah, that's your scientist jacket. You did so good. You did so good on the experiments. You did good. You did so good. No, take off your glove. Take off your glove and eat your. You want to finish snack?
Snack.
Okay, give me gloves. Give me gloves. Oh, don't tear it. Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay, so finish your snack. You want to give me your glasses too?
Glasses.
Yeah, give me your glasses too. Okay. What about your name tag? You want to give me a jacket?
Look up.
You want to give me a jacket? You want to keep your jacket on? Come. Let me take it off. You want me to take it off? Oh, you want to keep it on? No, eat your snack. Eat your snack.
I close. What's open my clothes?
Yeah, it's time to put the experiment away. We have to wash these out, and then it's reading time. That was fun. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, afternoon or evening, wherever you are, and peace out from the 242, honey.